All right, the middle car. All right, let's do this. Okay. Start with the minifigure. Figure with the wheelchair. Very nice. There we go. Huh. Oh, just a kid. So they do have the bendable legs, huh? Nice. Alright, let's build the building. Build the set. We're going to do one bag per video. So we're starting with this and this. This goes here. That goes there. That goes there. I need a spaceship apparently. This is the beginning of a plane. It's the Wright Brothers design. We're doing trans orange. Basically how the other one was, but this is going to be center car, so there's not going to be any cockpit for a driver. There's that, and then we do maybe a short video. Okay, and then we do the row of these. Got the set yet? It's awesome. My next trick is to build a functional motor car with that guy, but I'm going to wait till I have the design for all three cars, the build for all three cars done, and basically know the design of how to copy it. I saw some other channels videos, not my go-to option, as I told you. 1646 subscribers currently. I'm pushing 600,000 views on the year for 2025. It is June 8th. That is insane. And then we do, oops, that. Click. We're doing two of those, so let's do the other house. Built one of these before. 1, 2. Peg. Peg. Green. And then I need one set. Two, all right. And then those go on the main body. Here and here. Like that, and then I use the toe tag and the toe tag. So basically I'm gonna have to do something similar to this. I have that there, but I'm gonna have to do some more rigging and diving. And these are very uncommon pieces nowadays. So I know I have those. Those are older Lego pieces I got crap loads of, as you've seen the last 2 years building the city. Yes, that's it. The ship, that's the Explorian Falcon Explorer behind me, sitting on top of the train station elevator shaft. Yep, why not? There's that. Okay, now we're building a that. remember the first one of these is not very solid. Now we break it up. It's a wobbly build until you get to the better, the deeper layers. This is gonna have no passenger room, by the way. I need more teal chairs. All right, so we're gonna leave that there. Showcase is just theorize how this works. That's basically how I got hitched together. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna stop it there as I do. One video per bag. Bag 4 be coming up shortly. All right. Thanks for watching.